Coaches, once you start hitting 20K to 50K a month, your problem isn't about getting more clients anymore. It's about managing growth. Your calendar gets packed, your content piles up, your team needs direction, and suddenly you are spending more time managing them coaching. That's why today I'm going to show you the 5 apps every six-figure coach should be using to scale faster, save time, and bring order back to your business. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools out there, Notion. Think of it as your all-in-one control room. You can organize everything, your client notes, your content ideas, call summaries, and business goals all in one place. No more jumping between Google Docs, sticky notes, and the spreadsheets. Here's how you can use it. Create a client dashboard to track every client's progress. Build a content calendar to plan your videos, posts, and launches. Store your SOPs so your team always knows what to do. When your business starts growing fast, Notion keeps you and your team in sync so nothing fails through the process. Second one, once you have a team, managing them in group chats or DMs get messy, that's where ClickUp or Asana comes in. It helps you track every project from content creation to client onboarding. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and see progress in one dashboard. For example, if your editor needs to finish a video by Thursday or your VA has to schedule posts by Friday, you will see it all without needing constant checking-ins. ClickUp gives you structure, and that structure gives you peace of mind. Now let's talk about lead automations. You don't need to sit in your inbox all day to follow up with leads. ManyChat can do that for you. It connects your IG or Facebook and automatically replies when someone comments or DMs you. You can set keyword triggers like info, apply, or freedom, and it will send your offers, links, or even booking pages automatically. This means you can keep getting leads and sales conversations while you sleep. That's what leverage looks like for coaches. Next is Loom, one of my personal favorites. Instead of writing long messages or repeating yourself in meetings, you just record a short video. You can explain a task, show your screen, or walk through a client reports in minutes. It is perfect for team training, client feedback, or SOPs, and the best part, you only need to say it once. Loom saves your entire team to rewatch anytime. It saves hours every week and keeps everyone on the same page. Finally, let's talk about your brand look. At your level, presentation matters. Canva Pro helps you create professional graphics for your social media, funnels, and client documents without needing any designer. You can easily build templates for your brand colors, fonts, and layouts so your team can make everything look consistent for your brand. It's not just about looking good, it builds trust and makes your brand stand out. So here's the truth, scaling from 20K to 50K, even 200K a month isn't about working harder. It's about building systems that do the heavy lifting for you. If you start using these 5 apps, Notion, ClickUp, ManyChat, Loom, and Canva Pro, you will gain back hours every week and scale without burning out. So these are the simplest things you can implement to your coaching business, but if you want a step-by-step guide how to create a system that you can easily generate leads with your content, you can DM me info on IG and I will send you the full step-by-step guide. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.